today we're going to do the ignition system on the TE20. Let's open up the parts. First we've got a ignition switch with key. So this is all from Friday Parts. So first up is a key. It's obviously all aftermarket stuff. But basically only need the coil and the generator to work. It's always packaged very well. Okay, looks like to be a coil set, coil lead as well, because there's 5, so that's really good. All right, let's get the plugs out of her. Pretty nice old plugs those. All right, open the plugs up. Gaps and everything look identical, so I'm not even going to gap them. I'm going to put them straight in. Your coil lead's going to have both same ends on it, which is this one here. Now these are threaded, the old style, so they would have been copper leads with a okay, that's definitely going to work. It's not the best connection, but unless I put a new coil on it, that's how it's going to be. It's not amazing how it fits. It hasn't got the flats in it, thin washer behind it to tighten it up on it. I'm going to get something. Everyone, that's going to do it for this episode. All in all, I'm very happy with the leads. They feel good quality. The plugs look great. They fit the cap nicely. However, it doesn't fit that old coil, but they're not meant to either. So I've made it fit that. And this key here, I've put a copper washer behind it just to space it a little bit. I'm going to run with it. It does work. I have opened it. Comes with a muffler. Very good quality. And a clamp. Again, good quality. Nothing wrong with that at all. Flange nuts back up. It's okay. I reckon the drop is a tad too long. It's not bad, it's just going uphill a little bit here. Still not hitting anything, but I think I had to modify this too because it was bent, this rear clamp, so that's certainly not helping anything. I hope you enjoyed that, the ignition system and the exhaust system. So she's getting very close to running now.